Welcome back to the Rose Rocket platform. Today we're exploring Automation Builder. Here at Rose Rocket, we believe if you can dream it, you can build it. And with automations, we're going to take your dreams one step further by automating them. So what is Automation Builder? Well, it's like having an extra set of hands, one that doesn't make mistakes and works around the clock. Automation Builder is about setting up triggers and conditions for repetitive tasks in your workflow, because it's about working smarter, not harder. Imagine a partner carrier or a driver automatically being tagged on an order based on its pickup location. Whether you want to improve on accuracy, save time, or scale your operation, Automation Builder is your secret weapon. Now that we've uncovered the power of Automation Builder, let's create your own automation in Rose Rocket. Let's get building. First thing we're going to do is navigate to Settings. Once there, we're going to select Automations under Builders. As you can see here, you can see a list of existing automations, as well as the option to create a new one. We're going to go ahead and create a brand new automation. Let's give it a name of Special Instructions here. First step is we're going to define our trigger. Every automation starts with a trigger. A trigger is an event that sets your automation in motion. For example, you might set a trigger for when an invoice is created or when an order status is updated. To define your trigger, first you're going to select the type of event you want to trigger and the specific detail, such as which object, like orders or invoices, the trigger applies to. In this use case, we're going to set our trigger on the order object, and the trigger is going to be when a field on that object is updated. Next, we're going to define any conditions for our automation to take place. Conditions are the criteria that must be met for the automation to proceed. In this example, we're going to go ahead and add the condition of a customer. And we're going to specify the customer name being Rose Rocket. What this means is, this action in this automation won't take place unless this condition of Rose Rocket being the customer is met. Now lastly, once our trigger and conditions are set, it's time to define the action. This is what the automation will do once the trigger is initiated and those conditions are met. Actions can include updating a field, creating a new record, sending an email, or any other task that you otherwise do manually. So what we're going to do here is we're going to select the action to take place once this automation runs. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and update a field, and we're going to specifically update the special instructions. And we're going to update them to fragile, handle with care. So looking back at this automation to review, the trigger is when an order is updated. The condition is if only the customer name is Rose Rocket, and the action is to update the special instructions with fragile, handle with care. Once completed, we'll go ahead and hit save. Now that your automation is set up, let's go see it in action. So first thing we're going to do is navigate to our order board, and we're going to go ahead and create a brand new order. Keeping in mind that the condition is Rose Rocket being the customer. So in this case, we'll select Rose Rocket as the customer on this order. And even before we update any of the details in the order, we can see that our automation has ran. By selecting Rose Rocket as the customer, the special instructions have automatically updated to fragile, handle with care. And that's how you use Automation Builder to supercharge your processes in Rose Rocket. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.